This is the Range Rover I bought for 80,000. At the time, I didn't realize the seriousness of the issue, thinking it was just a suspension air leak. Who knew the parts would cost 80,000? The chassis rattles when driving, and the bushings are completely worn out. Planning to refurbish it like this, like this, like this, like this.
Before rust removal on the screws. After rust removal, coated with high temperature resistant coating, the screws are qualified. The inside of the engine is very clean, so there's no need for a major overhaul. Clean with dry ice and then address the oil leak issue. Within our seal, this is called the crankshaft seal, and it is the most prone to oil leaks.
Spray with BASF Glasurit paint. 3 coats of high concentration scratch resistant clear coat. Polish only the repaired parts.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.
After applying the reversing oil film, it is smooth and effortless.
I finally know why it's called Panamera Pavo. Really afraid of losing it. Cayenne is no exception. Porsche suspension. Pavo, should it be repaired or replaced? The Cayenne owner told us that the car often has shock absorber air leaks, which is dangerous and unsafe, and came to us for a solution. If your car also has this problem, you definitely need to keep watching.
Let's take a look at which route it came in from.
There are several places where it is leaking. In the end, to avoid unnecessary trouble, the car owner chose to directly replace it with a new one.
After completing the allocation, proceed with testing. Secure the line, park for a while, and check for any leaks due to improper installation. If your Porsche also has low-pressure bubbles, be sure to find a reliable shop for repair or replacement to avoid secondary damage to the vehicle. 300 square meter engine repair room.
A team with 23 years of experience crafted for you.